Hi children, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn English grammar. Today's topic is the sentence. What is the topic name? The sentence. Okay, what is a sentence? What is a sentence? A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. Let's see some examples. See, one practice they gave. Tick the sentences that are complete and make sense. Tick the sentences that are complete and make sense. See first one. What is this? Eat it. Eat. Here two words only. See, eat it, two words only. Can you understand? Eat it. Yes, you have to eat it. This make a sense. So we have to tick. Next, this is the complete sentence. It has a next. Elephants are. What elephants are? It is a incomplete sentence. Elephants are eating. Elephants are bathing in the river. But it is not complete sentence. Only elephants are. What elephants are? So we have to cross this. Next. Under the table. Is it a complete sentence? No. Under the table. What is under the table? Under the table, a book. A book is under the table. A pen is under the table. A cat is under the table. It is the complete sentence. But it is here no complete sentence. See, under the table. So this one is wrong. Next. The ground is wet. The ground is wet. We got an information. What is that? The ground is wet. This is a complete sentence. So we have to write. Next. Meeta's sister. What is Meeta's sister? So it is an incomplete sentence. So only two words but no meaningful. Next. The girls are asleep. The girls are asleep. Is this meaningful sentence or not? Yes. The girls are asleep. It is a meaningful sentence. So we have to keep tick. Next. Reena was. What Reena was? Reena was dancing. Reena was eating. Reena was sleeping. But no complete. It is an incomplete sentence. Only two words they give. So it is not a complete sentence. Next. On the bridge. See, on the bridge. What is on the bridge? It could be some bird, some animal, what? But it is no complete sentence. Not complete sentence. It is not a complete sentence. On the bridge. What on the bridge? Next. Go home. Yes, it is a complete sentence. You have to go your home. Like that. Next. Where are you? Where are you? I am questioning you. Where are you? So this is a complete sentence. Next. Across this. This one also complete sentence. Doll is. What doll is? Can you understand? Is this a complete sentence? No. Where is the doll is? No, it is not a complete sentence. So we have to cross. Next. For you. This is for you. So for this one is a complete sentence. Go to bed. You have to go to bed. Go to bed early. Okay. This one is also complete sentence. See once again. Eat it. It is a complete sentence. See one more time. The ground is wet. It is an information. The girls are asleep. This one also complete sentence. Where are you? This is a question. Next, go to bed. Go to bed early. This one also a sentence. Go home. Across this. For you. These are the complete sentences. So, have you understood what is sentence? See, parts of a sentence. Parts of a sentence. While we are playing a game, we have some rules. Suppose we are playing a cricket or carom board. Some rules is there in that game. Similarly, we write a sentence. You have to follow some rules. Yeah, you write a sentence. You have to follow some rules. Let's see the rules. What the rules is there? A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. See, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Exclamation mark or question mark. Okay. See, some examples are given here. I am Ram. I am Ram. This is a sentence. How it is start? Yes, this sentence start with a capital letter. I am Ram. Next, we have to end the sentence with full stop. See one more example. Are you Ram? Are you Ram? I am questioning. Are you Ram? If you are Ram, you have to say yes. You are not Ram, you just say no. See, this sentence start with capital letter and end with question mark. See, full stop, exclamation mark or question mark. Anyone you have to use. This is a sentence, so they keep full stop. This one is question, so they keep question mark. See, last one. That is Ram. That is Ram. I got excited. That is Ram. Such kind of sentence end with exclamation mark. Okay, have you understood? These are the rules. While we are writing sentences, we remember these things: full stop, exclamation mark, and question mark. Okay. See, rearrange the mixed up words to make sentences. Put functions. These are the called functions. Full stop, question mark, exclamation. See here. Book this is a. Book this is a. Is this a meaningful sentence? Is this a meaningful sentence? No, this is not a meaningful sentence. It's not start with capital letter and no punctuation marks. This is not a complete sentence. Let's write it in complete sentence. What we said while we are starting the sentence, what we write, we start with capital letter, but it is a small letter, but it is not a complete sentence. See, let's write in proper order. Book this is a. How we write? Yes, is this a book? Is. While we are writing the sentence, start with capital letter. Is this a book? This is a question, so we have to write question mark. Is this a book? Or this is a book. This is a book. In that way also we have to write. First, is this a book? I am asking question, is this a book? So, I have write question mark. See, second one, this is a book. So, after end of the sentence, we have to write full stop also. Okay, next. A pencil that is. A pencil that is. You have to write in proper order. Okay. What do we write? That is a pencil. Start with small letter or capital letter? Yes, the sentence start with capital letter. So, that is a pencil. That is a pencil. full stop. Next, is that what? Is that what? 3 words is here. Is this meaningful sentence? No. What we write? What? What is that? What is that? Which punctuation we have right here? Full stop or exclamation or question mark. What is that? This is a question. So we have to write a question mark. We have to keep question mark. Next. What your address is? What your address is? How many words is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally meaningful sentence. So we have to write in a order wise. What we write? What is your address? This one also question. What is your address? What? Start with capital letter. What is your address? Which punctuation mark we have to put here? Full stop or exclamation or question mark? Yes, question mark. Next. Good to drink milk is. Good to drink milk is. Is this a meaningful sentence? No. We have to write in a proper order. Say. Say milk. Milk is good to drink. Which punctuation mark we have put here? Full stop. It is a statement. Milk is good to drink. Next. See, sixth one. My office in father his. Is this meaningful sentence? My office is in father his. I am not understanding what is the. I am not understood. What is this? Have you understood? Arrange in proper order. Okay. Now I will write. My father is in his office. My father is in his office. Which punctuation mark we have keep here? Full stop. Because this is a statement. My father is in his office. See, seventh one. Minutes, it is past to 6. Minutes, it is past to 6. Is this a meaningful sentence? No. These 4 sentences, 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to try yourself. Okay? What is this? Minutes, it is past to 6. You have to try to write in proper order and keep the punctuation mark. Don't forget that. Say, see, many how these flowers are. Many how these flowers are. Next, near the tree, car is the. Near the tree, car is the. Looks, you are nice, that hat very. See, these four sentences you have to arrange in proper order and don't forget the keep punctuation mark. Okay, have you understood? Okay, try to write in proper order. Okay, first copy these sentences in your notebook and try to write in proper order. Don't forget the punctuation marks. Thank you.